Hello students, in this video we are going to study about the MCQs related to lesson number 6 tertiary economic activities. So let us start with the first MCQ. Net export equals to, so the options are export into import, export plus import, export minus import, and export of all these services only. So the right answer is, whenever you have to calculate any type of net export, then the formula is export minus import. Then and then only you can calculate the net export. Next question. International trade is the exchange of capital, goods and services across international borders or territory. So this is totally true. When you cross the borders of your particular country, then and then only you can trade with other foreign countries. So this is the definition of international trade. Trade between two states in an economy is called as dash. Options are internal, external, public and private. So this is totally internal type of trade. Hence it is called as internal trade. Next question. A country that does not trade with any other country is called as dash countries. So the options are developed country, closed country, independent country and dependent country. So whichever country is not trading with other foreign countries, so that country is called as closed country. Next question. International trade means dash means trade between dash. So the options are provinces, countries, regions, all the above. So the right answer is countries. So when we trade between two countries, then it is called as international trade. Next question. Foreign trade creates among countries dash. So the option is conflict, cooperation, hatred, both A and B. So cooperation is the right answer. With the help of cooperation between the government or the policies of the government, then and then only the foreign trade can be possible. WTO is abbreviated as dash. So the options are World Trade Association, World Trade Organization, World Transport Organization and World Transition Organization. So the right answer is World Trade Organization. So this particular organization was started to increase the international trade and to reduce the monopoly of goods and to increase the flexibility of the trade in a cheaper amount. Next question. The full form of SAARC is the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. So this is true statement. Next question. Trade liberalization refers to opening up of economies for trade. So this is totally correct. Whenever there is a trade liberalization, it was basically done to increase trading and to gain more economy for that particular countries, those who are involved in trading. So this is true. Next question. A favorable balance of trade means that dash the value of import is more than the value of export, the value of export is more than the value of import, the value of export is equal to the value of import, and none of the above. So the favorable balance of the trade means the value of the favorable balance of the trade means what? When the value of the export is more than the value of the import. So this is also called as positive balance of the trade. Okay, so this positive balance is known as trade surplus. So it is also called as favorable balance, positive balance, when the export is more than the value of import. Okay. So thank you for watching. This is regarding the assignment of lesson number 6, tertiary economic activities.